In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slicer in Power BI and modify its settings. A slicer is a simple, interactive filter you place directly on your report page so viewers can focus on exactly the data they care about. It's great for filtering by things like date, region, product category, or any other field in your model. First, open Microsoft Power BI. Give the app a second to load, then open your report file. You can use an existing report or start with any dataset you've already connected. If you're working in a shared file, it's a good idea to save a copy or work on a new page so you can experiment without changing someone else's view. On the right-hand side, look for the Visualizations pane. This is your control center for adding and configuring visuals. If the pane isn't visible, expand it so you can see the visual icons and the field wells. Now, click the slicer visual. It looks like a small filter control. Power BI will drop a blank slicer onto your canvas. You can move it to a convenient spot and resize it so it's easy for viewers to find and use. Next, go to the Data section within the Visualizations pane for this new slicer. You'll see a field well where you define what the slicer will filter. With the slicer selected, choose a field from your fields list that makes sense for your audience. You can either check the box next to that field or drag it directly into the slicer's field well. For example, drag in region, category, or a date column. As soon as you add the field, the slicer will populate with values from your data. With the field in place, you can refine how the slicer behaves. Open the formatting options for the slicer and adjust the settings to fit your use case. Switch between a list and a dropdown if you want to save space. Turn on the search box so users can quickly find a value in long lists. Choose single select if you want only one value at a time, or allow multi-select for broader filtering. For categorical values, you can flip the orientation to horizontal to create button-like selections. If you're using a date field, pick the style that fits your scenario, such as between for a range, or before/after for open-ended filtering. You can also tweak font sizes, colors, and headers so the slicer matches your report's design. And remember, the little eraser icon clears the filter instantly. That's it. Save your report, and your slicer is ready to help viewers interact with the data intuitively.